Hi, I'm Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing a Rajasthani snack called Suhaali, which is very easy to prepare. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So let's start. So in a bowl, I've taken some all-purpose flour or maida, some cumin seeds, some carom seeds or ajwain, and some salt to taste. In here I've got some melted ghee and also water to make the dough. So let's start preparing the dough. I'm mixing all the ingredients, that's the maida, salt, cumin seeds and ajwain, and I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. Let's mix in the ghee into the flour and crumble it. So the ghee has been mixed in nicely. Now we'll add water little by little and prepare a smooth dough. So the dough is ready. I've rolled it into a log. Now we are going to cut it into equal portions. So for the quantity of dough I've mentioned, you will get around 25 of these pieces. Now I'm rolling the piece into a ball and flattening it. I have some flour on the chopping board. Let's roll this into a 1-inch diameter circle. Let's do the rest in the same way. So once they are rolled out, trick them with a fork so that when we drop them in the oil, they don't puff up. So these are ready. I've kept a kadai on medium heat. I've poured some oil into it and the oil is nice and hot. Now we'll add the Suhaalis into this. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan because the temperature will drop. We'll fry these until they are golden brown in medium heat. So you can see they've turned golden brown in color. So we'll remove them from the oil into a paper towel. Once all of them are ready, you can transfer it into an airtight container. So these are a very good tea time snack, so you can make it in bulk and store it. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.